Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will deep dive on a stock analysis on Palantir, right? Okay, and it has been a hype for a lot of people in especially the AI tech sector, and a lot of people has been talking about Palantir, right? So we will deep dive on the stock analysis on Palantir, what is good and what is bad about Palantir. Before I continue, right, if you do like my series of deep dive on stock analysis, it has helped you in your investing and trading journey, do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you will be the first to be notified of new videos uploaded in my channel, right? Okay, thank you so much, and let's jump right in. What is about Palantir business, right? Palantir is an American software company that builds platforms for data analysis and operations, both for government and commercial clients as well, right? And what is the business model? The business model is basically building software platforms for data analysis for governments, and now they are already bridging into commercial sites. They focus on AI to improve decision making, which is a very important thing for governments and even commercial clients as well, right? Okay. They work with defense a lot in terms of the government and also commercial clients. And because of that, they earn long-term contracts, and these contracts last for years and likely to grow over time. This actually provides a very steady kind of income for them, right? At the same time, they can venture into other areas to expand their clientele and also improve their revenue and profits as well, right? And most importantly, why did Palantir actually skyrocket 200% in just 7 months, right? Okay, so what recently happened for Palantir, right? Okay, they land a 480 million army contract, and that boosted their investor sentiment, right? It boosted investor sentiment. Oh, hey, they are going to make money, right? Okay, so they will buy the stock. Palantir and Dell will join S&P 500, right? Okay, this is a big news also. Why? Because once they are in S&P 500, right, ETF that tracks the S&P 500 will be able to invest in Palantir, and there is a lot of funds that actually tracks the S&P 500 by investing in stocks that is only listed in S&P 500. So once they are in, especially Palantir in this case, a lot of funds will be looking to add in their portfolio Palantir shares, right? Okay, by buying Palantir shares, and this will increased demand will likely, right, involve increasing the price level of Palantir as well. Palantir expands major partnership in AI and defense sector, right? And in fact, they are already from the government defense sector. They are also branching out to go into commercial clients as well, right? Okay, so there's less reliance on government or defense contracts, but as we go along, right, for Palantir. What is the bull case for Palantir? Basically, strong AI growth drives revenue up, right? Recent earnings show 63% increase year on year, and that is a big increase, right? Exceptional, right? And they have big contracts with the army, which adds stability. And like I say again, they are venturing into the commercial side and expanding fast. Partnership with firms like Oracle help a lot, right? This reduce their reliance on government contracts and defense contracts as well, right? Stock valuation looks good for growth, right? A lot of analysts are targeting even higher price targets, higher than 200, right? Okay, but that is only the bull case. What is the bear case, right? Okay, bear case is that high costs or from AI spending could hurt profits, right? Their capital expenditure is rising fast, and this could squeeze their margins. Dependence on government contracts also adds risk, right? But a good thing is that they are diverting from government contracts and expanding to the commercial side, right? And competition from other AI firms also tough, right? A lot of rivals are also offering similar tools as well, right? Okay, and the stock surge of 200% in just 7 months, right, means that expectation is super high now. Any miss in expectations will be possible bad news for the stock price, and drops are highly possible, right? Okay, like I say again, high expectation lead to quick sell off, right? Okay, so what is my take, whether it's a bull or bear case going forward into the future, right? I normally use my trade to win strategy, which involve momentum, value, control, and even alpha to determine whether the stock is going up or down in the short term or even in the long term. And I'm going to give you that take right here, right now, right? Okay, so let's jump right into the stock chart of Palantir over here, like what we see here, right? It has been going on a very steady stream upwards, right? Not just for the past 7 months, but it is in a very steady long-term uptrend, as we can see here. Though there's sharp corrections, but eventually it does bounce back. Now it's recently, like 3rd of November, it hit an all-time new high, and it corrected sharply as well recently, right? I would say that very short-term wise, if you look at the weekly time frame, right, it has been going up since early 2024, right, or even 2023, late 2023, right? It has been going up very steadily, and pretty much if you look at the monthly time frame, it's almost parabolic on the monthly time frame. And the weekly time frame is also quite steadily up, right? And daily time frame looks really good. So what I see here is that there is, after the 3rd of November all-time high, a correction resume is very normal and healthy. I don't want to buy immediately without any confirmation of my alpha, right, that it is ready to go up, right? So I might want to wait for profit taking to be over, correction to be over, which might be in the midst of it and not fully over yet, right? Maybe it is around the corner but not yet there yet, right? Okay, sharp corrections is in Palantir is actually always happening over here, this period, and also over here during this period. So it might hold on for another 1-2 weeks, right? And if I want to accumulate some shares in Palantir, definitely I'll wait for another 1 to 2 more weeks to see how the price is moving, whether people are already starting to consolidate before I start to go in again, right? Okay, and that's my short-term take, right? Long-term wise is really overbought, right? Okay, overall it might correct a little bit more to 140 to 160, I do think. So right now at the price of if you like to get more update on from me on the latest stock picks, you might want to go to winningtrader.com/newsletter to join our mailing list. And once you join, right, we'll send you regular stock analysis and even trading ideas for you to actually help you in your trading journey and make better trading decisions as well, right? Okay, so that's all from me. And last call, right? If you like what you see and you want me to continue doing videos like this, do like the video and even comment in somewhere here in this video to share with me what are the stocks you want me to have a deep dive on and give you my take on how the stock is going to move short or long term wise, right? Okay, and also subscribe to this channel as well, right? Thank you for watching. May the profits be with you, and I'll see you real soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.